Franklin, you're a jerk. Stop. You're a jerk.
Milo!
Stop, don't kick it like that. Put this over there. Here. Tiger. Here.
White stripe on her back means she's been kissed by an angel.
What are you doing? Huh? What tummy? What tummy? Ain't no tummy. It just went right back in. What tummy?
Okay, here. That's my fingers.
You sure?
Gaji.
No, dormía, mira, iba.
Encerrada yo en la cama estaba.
Sí, ahora que vienen saliendo.
¿Qué pasó, mi niña?
Sí.
Excuse you.
狐一戴上帽子，就像被封印了一样，一动不动，看起来不太聪明的样子，哈哈哈。
No puede ser.
So I'm gonna put him food, but I'm putting him across the street because I don't want to give it to my other cats because he wants to fight my cat.
He just wants to cuddle.
To do this.
He just wants to cuddle.
Do you see his nails?
He's fine. He just wants to cuddle.
He don't want to. You think he want to cuddle?
Yes.
Okay, Freddie, I have something to tell you. So, I've never told you my name, and my name is Shiva. Did you know that? Wow.
I bought a sweater for Millie. Millie, show everyone your sweater.
Eat a certain diet. This time I'm really just all about nourishing my body and eating the best foods to keep
Why would a man be there? Why would a man be there? No, it's actually pissing me off. Oh my god, it pisses me off. Why would a man be there? Why do you want to...
Serious right now? Miko! Just pee in my plant. Come on! Miko!
Don't get annoyed at me. Don't get annoyed at me, huh?
I'd be one.
You're a what?
Lion.
Oh, you want to be a lion?
What the hell are you doing? Look at
Buddy, you gotta work with me, okay? You just gotta work with me. Just work with me. Oh my god, my little prince. You're my little prince. Oh my god, you're my little... Oh.
Say.
No.
This bitch. Don't look at me like that. Why'd you knock over the recycling? Stop.
Meow.
Ha, ne yapıyorsun şimdi? Bıraksana. Oğlum!
No. Every 3 months, the police would come and all the hostesses who didn't have visas would have to go out the back door. That felt like a very vulnerable situation for those girls.
Foreign hostesses.
I feel like everybody's been bullied at one point in their life.
Yeah.
There.
clothes are finally dry. What are you doing? What are you doing in here?
Yeah.
Neville, I just want to get you off the... Nope. Neville, please? Can I just... Ow, 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 ow!
Ding dong. Ma'am, there's no need to be violent. Bring in your package.
What's going on here? Walked into a little massage.
What you doing, gorgeous? Is that so? Well, you can't go outside. Because I told you we're going for a drive to Halifax, honey. Well, that's too bad. You can't. Because, honey, I don't want to keep going over this every day, okay? I love you, and that is that. And remember, you're the best in the world, hen.
Wrong, kitty.
Efendim? Hı.
So apparently people on TikTok like this. You walk in and boom, kitty. And now we're TikTok famous.
别骂了，吃了。
God made a mistake giving me a cute little mischievous face. Look at me. I get away with everything. I get whatever I want.
What's he doing? Aww. Bak şimdi o kadar iyi tanıyorum, köşeye döneceğim, üstüme atlayacak. Orası mı diyeceğim? Yapma, bak gideceğim falan.
There's nothing there. Calm down. There's nothing there. What's wrong?
Look at her. Look at her. Where is she going? Where is she gonna go? Where is she gonna go?
Oh my goodness. She gonna get that green one? Yeah, there she is.
As a businesswoman, and I have blown it. I mentioned to him that I thought that he was a con man, and I thought about going to the police. What good would it do you? You got the money.
She's still purring.
Look, a fairy!
Oh, sorry, dude. I killed that fairy.
Leora, brain power. Good girl. What are we thinking about?
Selenite, do you like the heat?
If you own cats, that you check your cardboard boxes that you're throwing out, because we almost literally threw away Eggie.
Bia mama, Bia. Bia. Bia dele mama. Çere ne mi ay?
What's that? I gotta fix the carpet. What is... Why aren't you moving? I'm literally stepping on you. The fuck's wrong with you?
Today. Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
No! No!
Chicken.
Oh my gosh. That was the cutest thing I ever seen.
That might go viral.
Просыпайся. Вставай. Пора на работу.
Help! I can't. No! No! Leave me alone! No! No!
¡Callas! ¿Entendiste o no entendiste? ¡Cállate!
This is not what I ordered. I asked for a salad. What is this?
You're not allowed to have all the toys.
Bon, ben, c'est du foutage de gueule.
Get the fuck out! You're gonna get the fuck out!
When
You're
I
not gonna motherfucking stay in my goddamn house!
When I get a ride.
Motherfucker, you ain't got no damn right!
Soltame y te suelto. Soltame y te suelto. Soltame y te suelto. 1, 2, 3.
You're telling me leaders from the East and West have been secretly working together for the last 75 years? No. I'm telling
Do we
you
not have
there
your
been
ass in my
97
face?
Russian heads of state and 13 US presidents since the coalition was formed, and not one of them has known about the coalition.
Shake. Up high. Down low. Oh, you like a fist bump. I'm sorry.
Mami, vamos levantar para lanchar. Tá na hora, vamos acordar, mamãe.